Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're replacing a battery on a Toyota Remote 2006 to 2010. It could be higher, but that's what the book says on these. This one's from a RAV4, and it takes a 2016 battery. Easy to do. You get a little screwdriver. I already opened it. You have a little insert here. It pops open. When it pops open, this is not going to be like this. I removed this so I can do this with one hand. Okay, this is going to be like that. Okay, and it's going to have little clips here. Here and here, and you just pry them with a little screwdriver, and you pop off this right here, and there is the battery. Now, to know what battery you have, you got to look over here. This one says CR 2016, and the positive is on the top, just like this is like this, and has little tabs right here. Just be careful. Just grab it from here. And you don't want to break these tabs right here. And take the battery out, put the new one in. You put it in like this. You see the this little brass connection right here? You put it in on an angle like this until it seats down so you don't break the little tabs. And then you just close it. See? They're all locked in. And this little cartridge just drops in here. Like so. Like that. And then this goes like this. And that's it. All right, see that there was the way you put the pry to open it. And that's it, simple. This is different, don't worry about that. It was just this. All right, guys, so simple to do. Yours may have a different battery. Like I said, you look on that little case and it'll tell you what size it is. MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions, leave them below pertaining to the video. I answer all my questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.